One day when I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if it was one of those rowdy boys. Stood there with my neighbor called Peter in a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine like one in a film I've seen. Yeah, he said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is divine, divine. He took me to the future in the flux thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one.
Okay.
Josh
Verub.
We didn't even do that.
Yeah, we didn't even make it go fast, and I was like, wait, what is this? It's cool. So then I decided to put it with a Jonas Brothers song because they're gay and we're gay, so it's all good. By the way, they should die.
That's not nice.
I mean, they should get shipped to a really far country, like
Australia.
the moon.
I'm allergic to grass.
I think
So, right there. Look at it.
Want a picture of lemonade?
Bye.